Good morning, my sweets. So today for math, what I would like you to do is open up to Wednesday. It looks like this. And then we are going to do our fact page. However, we're going to do it a little bit differently today. I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. What I would like you to do is have your packet, your pencil, and your name tag, okay? And you're going to write your name at the top. So grab your pencil, your packet, and your name tag, and write your name at the top. Go. You are writing your name. You're making sure that it's very neat. There's something going on with my marker here. You have your name tag. What we're going to do today, my loves, because we have a little bit of work to do today, we're only going to do the top row and the bottom row because I want you to practice minus and pluses. So these two middle rows we won't do. Okay, my sweets? So have your name tag handy. And what we're going to do is start here at the top. 9 minus 1. What do I do? Circle the minus. And then you need to touch what number? Yeah, number 9. So park your pencil. Touch number 9, and minus means we are losing 1. So hop back 1. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 8. Right? 8. Awesome. All right, my sweets, the next thing we need to do is circle that sign. Circle that minus. 5, and I lose 1. Park your pencil. So we're going to touch 5, and we're going to take 1 away. So hop back 1 with me. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 4. Write the number 4. Keep your pencil. We're going to go to the next math fact. 2 minus 1. What do we do? Circle the minus. Park your pencil so that you can hop. I want you to do this. So then when we come back to school and on fact tests, you know what to do. So touch number 2. We're going to hop backwards. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 1. Grab your pencil. Write the number 1. 7 minus 1. What's the first thing I'm going to do? Circle that minus because that's telling my brain I'm losing some. I'm going to be getting a smaller number. Park your pencil. Touch number 7. We're going to take 1 away. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 6. You're going to write number 6. Curly number 6. 3 minus 1. What am I going to do? Yep, circle that minus. That tells me I need to go backwards. So park your pencil. We're starting at number 3. So touch number 3 and hop back 1. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 2. Now we're going to go down here to the bottom. We are going to do this very last row together. All right, let's see if I can do this here. Hold this at the same time. 8 plus 1. What's the first thing I do? You're way down at the bottom. We're skipping these two middle rows. 8 plus 1, what do I do? Circle that plus sign. You got it. Park your pencil. Touch 8 and hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 9. Write number 9. 3 plus 1. What do I do? Circle that plus. Park your pencil. And you're going to start at number 3. And we're hopping 1 more. It's a plus sign. Plus means we're getting more, so we need to get a bigger number. So 3, and I hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1 is 4. Yeah, we're getting a bigger number this time. You can't get a smaller number. That's not getting more, right? That means you're losing some if you have a smaller number. All right, circle the plus for 1 plus 7. Now, should I start at number 1 and hop 7 more? No, that's going to take too long, right? I start at the bigger number, and the bigger number 7. So everybody touch number 7. Do this with me. And hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1. What number are you at? 8. You got it right. Crazy. 8. 0 plus 1. What do I do? Yep, circle the plus. What do you know about that 0? Yeah, you can cross that off and it stays at 1. Yeah, because 0 doesn't change that answer at all. If you have 1 cookie and you get no more, okay, well then you had 1. 5 plus 1, what do I do? Yep, circle the plus. I'm going to start at 5, so park your pencil so you can touch number 5. And we're hopping 1 more. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 6, right? Curly number 6. So this is what your paper should look like. You're not going to do these two, okay? Now, my loves, what I would like you to do is just put your packet down. You're not going to need it right now because I'm going to show you something. I wrote some math facts right here on the board. And I want you to help me solve them. So our learning target for today is I will subtract a number from itself. Right here, 0 from itself, from 0. 1 from 1. 2 from itself, 2. It's the same number. 3 from 3. 4 from 4. And then we will subtract 0 from a number. These are the easiest math facts you will ever do. Let me show you. So the first one we're going to do for our learning target is subtract a number from itself. Here's a number. There's the same number. We're subtracting it from itself. My loves, I'm going to show you this. I have 0 pennies. I have pennies. I'm not putting them on because I need to show 0. So I have 0. What I'm going to do is circle this minus sign. So I know I'm taking some away. So if I have 0 and I don't take any away, how many pennies do you see? 0. You're just watching me right now. Now, I want you to watch, use your teacher eyes. See if you can find a pattern. The next one says 1. So if I put up 1 penny, I need to circle that minus because minus means I'm going to lose some. How many pennies am I losing? 1. So I'm going to take off 1 penny. How many pennies are left? 0. Interesting. Okay. The next one says put up 2 pennies. So count with me. 1. Count with me. Sorry, they're sticky. 2. 2 pennies. I'm going to circle my minus because minus means I am losing some. How many am I losing? It says start with 2 and lose 2. So I need to take 2 away. Ready? Count with me. Go. 1, 2. How many pennies are left? 0. Are you noticing something? Let's do the next one. If I put up 3, count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I put up 3 pennies and it says I need to lose some. Ooh, so I'm going to circle that minus. How many am I losing? 3. I'm losing all of them. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 0. 4 minus 4. If I circle that minus, what do you think the answer is going to be? Yeah, 0. These were all zeros. Why is the answer 0? It's okay. You can talk to the computer. Why is the answer 0? Yeah, because I'm losing all of them. If I put up 4 and I take 4 away, I'm losing all of them. 4 and I lose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, now I have none. 5 and I lose all 5. My answer is 0. Here's the trick, let me tell you. If you see the same number and a minus sign, the answer is 0. These aren't doubles facts. This isn't a plus sign. So if you write a 10 here, ooh, you were not looking at the sign. That's why I have you circle it. Because if you wrote 10, you are way wrong. This says 5 and you lose them all. Okay, so you gotta make sure you look at the sign. 6 and I lose all 6. What's my answer? 0. 7 and I lose all 7. What's my answer? 0. Same number and a minus sign. I lose all of them. What's my answer? 0. 9 and I lose all 9. What's my answer? 0. My loves, you are going to see these math facts on your fact papers from now on. You don't need to be worried. If you don't know, you can hop on your name tag. So if it says 7 and you lose 7, okay, start at 7 and you take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's my answer? 0. So use your name tag if you can't remember. But if you see the same number and a minus sign, you know your answer is 0 because you're taking them all away. You are subtracting a number from itself. The same number from itself means 0. My loves, what I would like you to do is turn in your packets to the next page. And I want you to take your baggie off. So tear this off. We are going to do these math facts together. You can take them out, set them on the table in a nice, neat pile. All right, you have yours on the table in front of you. I have my yellow ones. What I'm going to do right now is erase this while you get yours all organized. We are now going to be subtracting 0 from a number. So we did the first part of our learning target. We subtracted a number from itself. So I'm going to put a check right here. We did that. Now we need to subtract 0. This says 0 from a number. So that's what we're going to be doing. My loves, I want you to take the very first card off your pile. It says 0 minus 0. I will scoot you closer. My loves, what's the very first thing we do when we see a math fact? And we circle the sign. So circle that minus sign. What do you know that you can do with those zeros? Cross them off. And if we cross them off, my answer is going to stay at what, boys and girls? Is there anything there? No. So my answer is 0. Flip it over on the back, write 0. Don't write it on the front, write it on the back so you can play that game. When you're done, take this card and put it in the done pile and grab your next card. It looks like this. 1 minus 0. What's the very first thing I do, my sweets? Now I'm going to circle that minus sign. And then what do you see that I can do? You should see a 0. What do I do with that 0? Cross it off. And my answer stays at 1. On the back. Turn it over on the back, write 1. I write it on the front. If I wrote it on the back, it would be ruined. Yours, I want you to write on the back. This is just like plus, right? Plus 0. Cross off that 0 and it stays the same. This is the same. If you have 1 cookie and you don't lose anything, you still have 1. So even though there's a minus sign there, with a 0, it doesn't change it. Put this in your pile and grab your next card. It looks like this. 2 minus 0. What's the first thing I do? Now I'm going to circle that minus sign. And what do you know that I can do with that 0? Exactly, I can cross it off. So 2, and I don't lose anything. I still have 2 on the back. Turn it over on the back, write 2. Awesome. Put that in your done pile. Grab your next card. What am I going to do here? The first thing I'm going to do is Circle my minus. 3, and I lose 0. What else do you know that I can do? Cross off that 0. It means nothing, and my answer stays at 3 on the back. Turn it over on the back, write 3. When you are done, put this card in your done pile and grab your next card, 4 minus 0. What's the first thing that I do? You got it, circle that minus. And then I can cross off that 0. And my answer stays at 4. On the back, turn it over on the back, write 4. We are subtracting 0 from a number. We are doing our learning target. Put this card in your done pile and grab your next one. 5 minus 0. What is the first thing I do? I circle my sign, my minus. I cross off that 0. And my answer stays at 5. It doesn't change my answer. On the back, write the number 5. Go down first and around. Oops. And give it a hat. Put this in your done pile. 4 left. 6 minus 0. The first thing I do is circle my sign and cross off that 0. And my answer stays at 6. On the back. You are writing yours on the back. Turn it over. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Write 6 on the back. Hopefully you remembered. Awesome. When you're done, put this in your done pile and grab your next card, 7 minus 0. What's the first thing we're going to do? Yeah, we're going to circle that minus. What am I going to do here? Cross off that 0. And my answer stays at 7. On the back, write 7. I forgot to say it again. Put this card in your done pile. Grab your second to last card, 8 minus 0. The very first thing we're going to do is, circle that sign. What are we going to do with that 0? Cross it off. And our answer stays at 8. Do not make 2 snowmen. Turn it over. Do not make a snowman. Make an S like for Sal and go back home. I want to see this 8. I look at how you make your numbers for your report card. Make it like this, please. If it's tricky for you, erase it and try again. The more you do it, the easier it will become. And your last card, my sweets that you can grab, is 9 minus 0. Then we're all done. What's the first thing we do? Circle that minus. And then we can cross off that 0. You got it. And on the back, what number are we going to write? 9. So turn your card over. On the back, write number 9. Awesome job, my sweets. You can put this in your done pile. And then what you can do is open up your baggie and put all your cards back in your baggie. Keep these at home. Do not send these back to school. These are for you to keep so that you can practice these at home, okay? My loves, we subtracted a number from itself, right? We did 6 minus 6. And then we subtracted 0 from a number, right? We did 6 minus 0. So we did both parts of our learning target. You did awesome. Kiss your brain. What we're going to do now is our math paper, and then we're all done for the day. All right, my loves, please just take your packet. You're going to write your name at the top. You should be opened up to this anyway because you took your cards right off of there. So open up to write your name at the top. You don't even need to open up. You are opened up. 49A. All right. Please make sure you're writing your name as neatly as you can. Let me scoot you closer. Here is the date we will be writing today. I'm going to write my name. Do you remember the month that we are in? We're not in November anymore. We're in the month of December. December. What I would like you to do is write uppercase D right here where it says date. You're right, uppercase D. You know how to do that from Doc. E. What letter goes next? E. Lowercase e. D. S. Do you remember what two letters make the S sound sometimes? Yeah, C, E. So you're going to write lowercase c, lowercase e. Decem. What letter says Letter M. You got it. December. What letter says B? B. Yep. December. What two letters say ER says so you're going to write your E and your R. Then we need to write the date for today. What number is today? Yeah, the 2nd. So you're going to write a 2. Today is December 2nd. We need our cute little comma. And then we're going to write our year. So you're going to write 2020. I'll give you time to finish if you're not done. I know I write fast. If yesterday was Tuesday, what day of the week is today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You got it. My turn first. Wednesday. My turn. W-E-D. So that's what we need to write. W-E-D. So write uppercase W. You're going to go down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. W-E, we said. So we need to make lowercase e. W-E-D. My turn first. N-E-S. N-E-S. So now we need to write N-E-S. So we're going to write lowercase n. N only has one bump. E. S. And then it goes like this. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Wednesday. So now we need to write the word day. D-A-Y spells day. So we need to write day. D-A-Y. Awesome. Give you time to finish if you're not done. What number do you see at the top of your page here? If you don't know, say the numbers together. A 4 and a 5 make 45. Yeah. So I want you to trace 45 2 times. And then today you only have to make it 1 time. Then you're going to make it 1 time by yourself. With your 5, make sure you come down to that middle line around and give it a hat. It shouldn't look like an S. I'll give you time to write your 45s. And then what we're going to do is you are going to put a line in between the 4 and the 5. How many tens are in the number 45? Which number's in the tens place? Yeah, the 4, because when we count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens, right? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bump you. So the 4 is in the tens place. How many extra ones? 5. So we're going to write an O. Park your pencil, please. All right, let me scoot you down. It says 10 children were standing in line. What should we do? Draw 10 children's faces. Quietly count to yourself. 10 just smiley faces. Go. We need 10 of them. Double check, make sure you have 10. Go back and count. Smart mathematicians, double check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you have 10, give me a thumbs up. Then it says 2 children sat down. Oops. They were probably talking in line, right? When you're in line to go to the hallway, you have to be quiet. You remember that from 4K, right? If 2 children were talking and had to go sit down, what do? Now we're going to cross them off, 2 of them off from the back. So count with 2 with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2. That's it. We need to write our number sentence. What is our number sentence going to look like? How many kids did we start with that were in line? If you don't know, go back and count. We started with 10. We need to write 10. Did we get more children or did we lose some? We lost some. What sign means we lost some? Minus, minus. So you need to make your minus. How many did you lose? Did we cross off? 2. 10 minus 2. What sign do I need? Equals. How many children are left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to make crazy 8. Don't forget to do this part. Some of you forget this and then you get it wrong. How many children are standing in line now? How many are left? 8. You need to write 8 again. Don't make a snowman. Make an S and go back home, please. So don't forget to do that part. It says use the graph to answer these questions. Here's a weather graph. This weather graph's a little different than ours because it goes side to side. Ours goes up and down. It says how many sunny days were there? Okay, let's count the sunnies. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to write 4. Then it says how many cloudy and snowy days were there all together? Whoa. So if we need to count all together, that means we need to count all of the cloudy, all of the snowy. Are you ready? Park your pencil. Touch and count cloudies and snowies. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So take your pencil. You are going to write the number 9. There are 9 all together. You, my friends, need to take out your green and your yellow Packer colors. Take out your green. Take out your yellow. It says color the largest cube green. What does largest mean? Largest means Biggest, yeah. Which one of these is the biggest cube? The dice that I roll, that big dice, is a cube. It looks like a box. Which one's the biggest? The second one, right? First, second. We're going to color that cube green. Take your time. It should all be filled in nicely. You shouldn't go out of the lines, and you just shouldn't go like that and be done. Okay, fill it all in. Take your time. Then it says color the smallest cube yellow. Ooh, which one is the smallest? This is a little tricky. Who's the smallest? Yeah, this guy, right? First, second, third. Color the third cube with your yellow. He is the smallest. He's so cute and little. All right. My sweets, you are going to do these last ones by yourself. So you need to take out your name tag. I can't find mine right now. I want you to use your name tag and hop one more. You're going to write the number that is one more. So 8. And if you hop one more plus one more, what number would you be at? 9. Yeah, you're going to finish that. I can't find, oh, hello, it's right here. So you're just writing the number that's one more, 8, and you hop one more is 9. Okay, then do the same for 15 and 23. When you're done, what I would like you to do is upload this page, page 49, to the blue math folder. You do not need to do these 2 middle rows. Upload page 49 here, and just send me a couple of your math facts, okay? So those 3 things, 2 math papers and math facts. Thank you, my sweets. We did a great job learning 2 new kinds of math facts today.